Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by getting the app and giving it permission. Open Google Translate now. Tap the store icon, install, then allow microphone and camera so voice and camera modes work. Once installed, make sure to download any offline languages you need by tapping the language name and selecting download. This prevents interruptions when you lose signal. Now select source and target languages at the top and prepare the input method you'll use, typed, spoken, or camera, so you can move to the first translation immediately. You'll now perform the core actions. Choose conversation mode to get two-way spoken translation, press the microphone icon and speak, and the app will detect language shifts automatically. If you need text from signs or menus, switch to camera, point, and either use Instant Translate or capture and highlight text for higher accuracy. For quick typed phrases, tap the keyboard icon, enter text, and hit Translate. Once done, check the alternate suggestions underneath, because small phrasing changes improve meaning. You finish by saving useful results to the phrasebook with the star so you can reuse them quickly. You can also tap Share to copy translated text into messages or email. Make sure to review pronunciation by tapping the speaker icon for how to say it. If translations seem off, switch input mode, camera versus voice versus typing, or delete and redownload the offline language pack to refresh models. If problems persist, restart the app and test again. That simple reset often clears transient errors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.